Hi, I'm Gurion and I'm the Director of the Bachelor of Science. Welcome to your adventure. A reminder that most courses are worth 2 credit units at UQ. So throughout the 3 years of your Bachelor of Science, or the BSc, you'll have to complete 48 units of study. The adventure you go on can take the shape and form of an extended major, a major, or a minor. But it can be quite confusing amidst a sea of scientific disciplines on offer to make the most of your BSc. So this video will step you through those processes. An extended major is 24 units of study, or 12 courses. A major is 16 units of study, or 8 courses. And a minor is 8 units of study, or 4 courses. So I'm going to show you how to mix and match to make the most of your time in the BSc. All BSc students must complete 2 core courses, Sci 1000, Theory and Practice in Science, and Stat 1201, Analysis of Scientific Data. In some cases, you might get exemption from these courses if you're in specific majors or specific dual degrees, but for most of you, you must complete both core courses. It's recommended that you complete them in your first year of study sequentially. These courses are offered in almost every semester. In addition to your core courses, you're going to also need to declare at least 1 extended major or a major. For most of you, you're going to pick the 1 major option. A reminder that a major is 16 units of study, or 8 courses. Typically, this is broken down into 1 Level 1 course, or we call that a first year course, 3 Level 2 courses, and 4 Level 3 courses, to give you sufficient depth and breadth in your chosen discipline. Here's an example of a student planning to declare a marine biology major. You will see that at Level 1, Mars 1001 is a compulsory first-year course, followed by 3 Level 2 courses across biology and marine science, and finally, at the 3rd year, 4 Level 3 biology courses. To help support your transition to Level 2 and 3 courses, some majors also have additional Level 1 prerequisites that you must complete. In the case of marine biology, that's Bio 1020 and Bio 1030. These are courses that do not count towards your major, but you need to complete in order to successfully progress to your Level 2 and Level 3 courses. You're wondering now what's going to happen with all that blank space. Well, here's where most of our science students consider declaring a second major. So, for example, this student that's already declared a major in marine biology might also like to consider a second major, this time in ecology and conservation biology. You'll notice a few things. At Level 2, Bio 2006, Biostatistics and Experimental Design is a course required for both majors. But you cannot double dip, so you would use Bio 2006 for one of your 2 majors, and for the other, you will replace it with a course at the same level or higher, as long as it's from the Bachelor of Science course list. You'll notice that at Level 1, Bio 1030, which was only a prerequisite course for the marine biology major, is now a required course for the ecology and conservation biology major. So you can in fact be quite strategic and use, say, Bio 1030 to satisfy the requirements of one major as well as the prerequisites of another. You might not be ready to commit entirely to a second major. Remember that most disciplines in the BSc are also offered as minors. Minors are only 8 units of study, or 4 courses. So this student might decide instead of a major to go with a minor in ecology and conservation biology. And you'll notice that the number of courses halve. And so doing fewer courses gives you more room to do additional electives, or in fact even doing a second minor. Here's an example where the student has now decided to do a major in marine biology, a minor in ecology and conservation biology, and a second minor in science communication. So there are so many ways that you can mix and match your BSc to suit your interests and career goals. You should also pay attention to some important additional rules of the BSc. All BSc students must complete at least 10 units of Level 3 science courses. It's important that these are science courses drawn from the BSc list. By virtue of you choosing a double major or a major with 1 minor, you already meet this requirement. But if you're only choosing to do a single major and nothing else, please be mindful of this additional rule. 10 units or 5 courses of Level 3 Science courses. Another additional rule is the number of non-science electives you can take. This cannot exceed 16 units of study or 8 courses. So you cannot do more than 8 courses that are outside of the Bachelor of Science course list. Finally, there's also an additional rule that limits the number of first-year courses that you can do. You cannot do more than 24 units or 12 courses of Level 1 courses. I hope you found this video useful. Remember to check your program and courses page for more information about the BSc. I hope you're looking forward to your adventure in the BSc.